Over 8,000 entries from countries like the United States, Canada, Saudi Arabia, Ireland, and more. And yes, we are doing it all over again thanks to our friends at ProPods who have sent us the latest edition, the ProPods 3 in matte black. Stick around for today's video to see how you could be the lucky winner of this giveaway. Now, as I stated, we are doing a giveaway, and yes, that is why I'm wearing this ratty shirt, because it's my lucky shirt, and I hope it's lucky for you too. Well, we want you all to win. You can. So, for the rest of you who may not actually get this product from the giveaway, there is a link in the description to ProPods' website. What you have the possibility of winning is the ProPods 3 in matte black, which retail for $84.99, compared to the AirPod Pros, which cost $249.99 and don't come in matte black. These are one of the best sets of one-for-one clones on the market, and they're even working on a version that may actually have active noise cancellation. If you saw our previous video unboxing and reviewing the ProPods 3 in white, you see that their box for that is a one-for-one clone, meaning that even the writing is the same on the box. Since Apple doesn't make their ProPods 3 in a matte black version, obviously this box is not going to be a one-for-one clone. For this video, I'll just be unboxing what you could be possibly winning, the ProPods 3. Stick around to the end for instructions on how to enter. And then in a week or two, we'll be posting a review video of my full reflection on the version 3 of the ProPods, since last time we reviewed the version 2. Let's get inside this box. As you can see, there is a nice plastic wrap over the whole thing, and man, I don't have any fingernails. This could be difficult. I don't want to bite it. Pull off the plastic wrap. We see that it says, with wireless charging case. Yes, the case does wirelessly charge. There, we get the same pamphlet with directions that says designed by Apple in California, with the directions for the AirPods Pro. Yes, these do connect to your phone just like a normal set of AirPod Pros would by throwing up that prompt on the screen, which I will show in the review video. They also work similar in the fact that you can use the Find My AirPods function where you can actually ping them from your phone if you lose them, which is very helpful, and the touch controls when they are in and out of your ears. Pulling out the actual wireless charging case, we see it is nice and plastic wrap. They do a really good job manufacturing these. They pride themselves not only in their packaging and product, but also in their customer service. While they're shipping from overseas, shipping times aren't as bad as I expected, and they are quick with their customer service, especially if you message them on social media. We throw off the plastic and we see ProPods. And honestly, the construction, I like how it's a little grippy. That matte finish isn't as slippery as the normal white ones. Pulling out the actual pods though, all in matte black with a nice silver ring on the bottom for the microphone. And this is where things start to get different between the version 2 and version 3. If we pull off the ear tip, we see that the connector is now that black circle instead of the protruding white nub that was on the version 2. They are now one-for-one clones down to the little ear hole right there. I don't see any issues with overall construction, which is typical of them. There is a charging cable wrapped up nicely, and then in the bottom are some replacement ear tips, which are in white. So you could have zebra AirPod Pros. That's all I want to go over today though for the unboxing video. I will save the rest of my thoughts for the review video coming out in the next few weeks. Let's get to the juicy stuff, the giveaway details, because these are going to one of you lucky fans. Last time it went to our main man Rodney, who is from good old NYC, who loved his pair of ProPods that were version 2, and now we're giving away the version 3. How are you going to enter? Well, first off, make sure that you're subscribed and drop a like on this video so it goes and shares with as many people as possible. Then go down below and check for the link to gleam.io, where it has all the instructions on all the different ways that you can enter. Not only can you enter by following us on YouTube and other platforms, but also by sharing tweets, posts, etc. to get you more entries and a better chance at actually winning these ProPods. We want as many people to enter as possible. We want to shatter our record of 8,000 entries that we had last time, and we're hoping that yes, we can do more giveaways in the future, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on any of those. We will be announcing the winner for the ProPods in 2.5 weeks. If all goes to plan, this video should be releasing on a Saturday, and then we will announce live, yes, live, again, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it, the winner on Wednesday in 2.5 weeks or so. However the math works out. That's all I have for today, folks. We'll see you in the next one. I'm excited for this one, and you should be too. Bird out.